Explain it. What's going on in this, Carlos?
Okay, in this one, hold on.
What's going on?
Okay, I was very young in this one, and I want to be with this girl.
Yeah.
And I'm telling her, like, yeah, you know, I have a crazy mom.
How old were you then?
I was like 19.
Holy crap.
And you can see by the line in here.
Yeah. No, same thing happened to
It
me.
went north.
Yeah.
And she was telling me, like, yeah, you know, I want to be your boyfriend. And this is my twin brother. And this is another girl.
I'm sorry.
And the whole thing in this soap opera is
He's a
that
real twin brother.
Like,
Yeah.
you have a real twin brother? Okay.
These two girls thought that it was just one guy that was trying to be a player with them, and it turned out to be that it was two different guys, and you know, we were good guys. And that's it. Yeah.
Oh
We're
my
doing an
fucking
actor studio.
Show him the beginning. You gotta show him the beginning. He didn't see the video.
Oh my god.
We've got the actor studio, we've got tattoo.
Hold on. That's my name.
Carlos.
So that's more nerd, and that's the name of the show.
Here, look at this.
Wow.
That girl was trying to blackmail me because she saw me kissing this other guy. Because I play a gay character in this soap opera. And she had the photos on her cell phone, so she was like, I'm gonna tell your sister because the guy is my sister's husband.
No, she's kind of caliente.
And I start choking
Oh,
her.
look.
And she like gets choked. This Carlos is gonna have to choke a bitch. And that's how you choke a bitch.